In machine learning, we control randomness by setting a seed. Here are the functions used in R, base Python, and with the package NumPy. Once we set the seed, we can repeat the same results every time we run the code. 42 is one of the most commonly used seeds in machine learning. But there is nothing mathematically special about the number 42. Any integer works, positive, negative, or zero. Programmers often choose simple or memorable numbers as seeds. For example, 0, 1, or the lucky number 7, or just the current year, 2026. The number 42 comes from a science fiction novel, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. In the story, a supercomputer named Deep Thought calculates the answer to life, the universe, and everything, and the answer turns out to be 42. Adam later said there was no hidden meaning. He simply picked the number 42 at random as a joke. Some fans have tried to find deeper meanings. For example, in ASCII code, the number 42 represents the little star. This symbol often means anything or everything. So people started joking. 42 is the answer to life, to universe, to everything. But honestly, this is just a coincidence. Here's an example to show the power of setting a seed. This function generates random numbers 5 times. First, without a seed, and then with seed. Here we use 42. Let's look at the output. Without a seed, every run produces different numbers. When we set up a seed, the sequence becomes reproducible. We get the same results every time. Now let's try a different seed, C0. We see the same pattern. The results with the seed are reproducible. So what matters is not the number itself, but that using the same seed lets us reproduce the same results. Here's another visual example, showing how setting a seed affects the results. First, we generate hearts without a seed, then with seed 42. Without a seed, the hearts look differently. With a seed, all the hearts are identical. Okay, let's change the seed one more time. This time, we'll use 999, a romantic number in some culture. So we have the same pattern here. When we set up a seed, all the hearts stay the same every single time. So we learned what setting a seed really means. It's about making randomness reproducible. And we can pick any number we like as a seed. They all work exactly the same way. And now we know the story behind the 42. It's studied as a joke in Adam's book. And it's just fun to use it, because somehow when we set a seed to 42, we still feel like we are getting the answer to life, the universe, and everything.